Spencer Kobren's The Bald Truth.
Yeah, so what I was saying is, like, a lot of people are talking about how you need to be careful where you go, and a lot of these presentations are thinly disguised veils that are talking about Turkey, but not actually saying Turkey. And the problem with that is, a lot of the people that have a problem with the industry, they're not looking in their own backyard. And so, the point of this is that there is donor decimation going on in all the markets of hair restoration surgery. I present to you a case that is from North America, and that is about 2,000 grafts.
And this is from a guy who actually did take the pledge. He signed the pledge.
Yeah. Would you?
Sorry.
But the bigger point is that this was in North America. Like, the issue with this is 2,000 grafts. From what I understand, the grafts were also taken from the sides, which is the way to do it. But the punch size was way too big.
That looks like a 1.2 millimeter punch.
It was about a 1.25. It was about a 1.25.
Yeah.
And, it's performed by technicians.
What?
Yeah.
And this guy signed the pledge?
He made an oath when he got his medical degree that he will do no harm. And this guy, so what is he in a clinical setting for? To get SMP into the donor scars, the FUE scars, which is basically the only thing that he can do. If he were to grow this out, the donor region would be, it looked like a rabid moth attacked the guy. So he's done. One shot. That's all it took. And his donor is done.